So what's going on, people? We're back again with another video. So today we're making stew beans. Yes, the ingredient them here. You don't know me when I used to cook, eh? Anyway, you got your chicharron, you got your beans, you buy beans. Now what we're gonna do is grate the coconut, forget the coconut milk. Yes, see that's me there. Grate the coconut. And now we're gonna squeeze the coconut, forget the coconut milk. Somebody will say, what are you saying that for everybody know that? Not everybody know, not everybody know. Anyway. So we cut up the onion now, we cut it up fine. I usually cut it up fine and nice. Then we cut up the sweet pepper. Same thing, cut it up fine. Cut up your garlic. And now we add this is the banana. Cut up the banana. And we got cocoa, banana. Now you have to make sure you wash your rice good. Wash it. I wash it 2 times. Wash the first time, dash out the water. Wash the second time. And now we got the beans. We're gonna throw the beans in the pot there. Then the coconut milk. Okay, now so we add the thing now we cut up. You got your sweet pepper, you got your onion and your garlic. We add some black pepper. Now we can add some salt to taste. Salt to your gusto. We add some thyme, grind thyme. Next thing we're gonna do is fry the rice, because stew beans we're gonna eat this with rice, right? So we got the little cut up beans right there. I don't know about you, but I like my rice shelly. Shout out to all the shelly them watching the video. But yeah, I like my rice shelly. So for that we gonna make it cook for 5 minutes. Maybe less than, but well, más o menos. You add your salt and everything there. Make that cook there in the oil. People, if you're watching me on Facebook, follow me. If you're watching me on YouTube, subscribe.
That depends on the person. I just want to put on. This is our old people. You know, we are doing it. Cooking with Greg will show you all know how to fry rice, do a nice fried rice, cooking coconut cream. So what we did, we fried the rice around 3 to 6 minutes. Just make it fry up in a little oil. And now we got to add the coconut cream. We always got to put with liquid dumpling. That should never miss out. Flour dumpling. So this is half pound of flour. Sugar and flour. Just to make it a bit fresh.
Now people, me and Chaka had a little fight backstage about these dumplings. I never see them make dumpling like this. Chaka make some small little dumpling and me and him they fight. Tell me how we make dumpling. Method 1, after that I show how the method 2 is. But this is Chaka way of making dumpling. Then I show my way of making dumpling. Tell me which one I usually use. So now we add the thing, them see the milk boiling up and everything. So we add in the the cocoa and the banana. If this is the first time you see how they're making stew beans, you know I say what kind of nastiness is this, but trust the process. But anyway, not trust the process, because even the final product sometimes look hot then, but you have to taste it. But anyway, we add the business them. Now see why me and Chaka they have to fight backstage. Now I never yet see dumpling like this. Him call that dumpling. He said his granny teaching how to make the dumpling that way, and nobody can tell him how to make dumpling. But anyway, that's Chaka way of making dumpling. Tell me if you never make dumpling like that, people. I show you the method 2 how I make my dumpling.
You see the chicharron, you know, you put in. You could choose to put smoked meat, you know, smoked pig feet, you know, or what is the long thing name? Salchichas, cut up any one you choose. You can put in this case we're making it with chicharrone. And Kenny is the one that passed the thing to us, as you could say. Him pass things and go.
Kenny do I pass things. Kenny the
yeah, the man wants his tradition.
Alright people, so the method 2 here making the dumpling. Not exactly how I'll make it neither because I'll kind of roll them up a little bit, but well. Chaka, you can't go against Chaka. He made the chef. Cooking with Greg. He made the chef, so well. Anyway, see the dumpling there, hey people. Cut them up like that, and then you just put them in the pot when them fella set up. But Chaka no like make a dumpling like this. I don't know why. So him granny never teach him like this, so well. We just have to go with Chaka way of doing it. Okay people, see the right there, ready up. That's it with coconut milk. And shout out to the Shelly them again. I don't know, we got the Shelly rice, Shelly belly. See it there, coconut milk. Now people, see the original way of making the dumpling there now. Tell me now, which one you want to use, method 1 or method 2? And them all look like dumpling. Well, I usually make the stew beans with pig feet, but we never got pig feet, smoked pig feet, so in this case we use chicharron. Well, if you have pig's meat or smoked meat, it still come out better then, you know. If you not got, you have to use what you got. So see here we almost have the final product. I don't know, people's stew beans sometimes don't look hot, but you have to taste it. Stew beans is one of the nicest things. I have to taste it, just that it don't look hot sometimes, but well. See the dumpling then there? Stew beans are almost ready. Share it out with the rice. Then we set. Okay, see the thing there, people. Cooking with Greg. Bloopers in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, people, so this is the real way I make this is the real way I make the dumpling. The first I want to say that was the demo. I thought just Chaka practice it.
Not practicing the ochopata. That's the way I make dumpling. That's the way my father used to make. That's the way my grandmother used to make.
So I was saying, guys, this is the real way I make dumpling. The first way was just
any way you make it on a dumpling, that is dumpling.
Yeah. 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 No, you call it fruit. In the middle. No, right in the middle. Yeah, long, just so long. Cut the thing how I telling you. Yeah. Let me dumpling. Now we talking. That's it.
This is what the man wants, a spaghetti shaped dumpling.
I'm not for the tape and all of that.
Don't come to me traditional way, boy.
That's traditional way.
That's how your granny make it. My papa and my granny make it different.
So your granny no more and everybody has granny.
That's okay. Why everybody make it them
that's why we'll not come blaming our way neither. We'll not come talking our way neither, then what happen? Well, this is our way and that's your way. Well, you could say what you want. You could say what you want. Well, how you think you come out that way? How you think you come out that way?
Gregory, as you could see, it's two ways you could make dumpling. You can't tell me that's the...